Meet the Nomatic Travel Pack, the most functional travel pack ever. Don't think so? Keep watching. The Nomatic Travel Pack was designed for everyday use and those shorter 1 to 3 day trips. We surveyed thousands of customers to see which features were the most important. After a year of testing and 10 prototypes later, we are confident we have designed the perfect bag that does it all. The exterior of this pack is made with strong, water-resistant YKK zippers and tarpaulin material that will last forever. Our patent-pending strap design allows you to switch between briefcase and backpack. Simply tuck the straps behind the back panel and snap them down to carry like a briefcase when you need to look more professional, or pop the straps out to carry like a backpack when you are on the move. The back panel will also slide over a roller luggage handle to make traveling with wheels a little more seamless. A full perimeter zipper gives you access from all sides and a full view of the inside for better visibility and packing. The Nomatic Travel Pack has 20 pockets, all designed with purpose. A quick access fleece pocket for valuables, multiple mesh elastic pockets, RFID blocking and lockable security pocket, a removable hard protective shell for glasses, multiple mesh zipper pockets, a notebook pocket, and a hidden pocket for important items like cash or a passport. Basically, whatever you're carrying, this bag has a spot for it. We've also included cord pass-through holes between all compartments to allow you to charge seamlessly on the move. Our innovative water bottle pocket is magnetic. It expands when you need the space and snaps shut and looks sleek when not in use. Next, we added a retractable key leash. Easily lock up with one hand and your key effortlessly returns to its pocket in the bag. To keep you visible in the dark, we have used reflective ink on the front and back of the bag. The Nomatic Travel Pack has a full perimeter expansion zipper that takes the bag from 20 to 30 liters. Inside this expansion, you will find another zipper that allows for clamshell access to pack like a suitcase. Each bag has an integrated mesh dividing wall to separate your clothes from the rest of your gear. Last but not least, there is a dedicated laptop and tablet compartment that opens and lays flat to make TSA checkpoints a breeze. These pockets are surrounded by foam that can hold a 15-inch laptop and a 13-inch tablet comfortably. We have spent countless hours perfecting this bag and are so excited to share it with you. All Nomatic products are backed by our Nomatic lifetime warranty. This bag can help you look professional or help you escape the demands of your profession. We can't wait to see how the Nomatic Travel Pack will help you live life on the move.